How to fix Free Fire crashing error. If your Free Fire game constantly keeps on crashing, what you want to do is you want to simply first close the app completely and do not try to open it for a while. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your device. The device might be at fault sometimes for your game being crashed. After that, what you want to do is once the device has been unlocked again, you want to simply check for internet connection. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and it's connected to a network that is actually working. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply open the game again. And if you're still having any kinds of problem while logging into your game, you want to simply check for any kinds of update if it's available or not. You want to simply go to your Play Store over here, and inside your Play Store you want to simply search for Free Fire. After that, if any kinds of update is available, you want to simply update the game from here and you shouldn't be having any kinds of crashing errors. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.